Hey everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Lori and welcome to my life and my channel. So today I have the August Birchbox. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so Birchbox opens, there's a little pull tab. And of course I just broke it off so it didn't work. Give me a second. There's one, there's two, and there's the rest of three. Okay, so inside our box looks like this. So cute, so cute. Okay. And I always tell you this, I love the boxes that are inside that box because you can put gifts in them and give them out. So pretty nice. If you do not know me and are not subscribed to my channel, give you a heads up, I am legally blind, so you're going to see me wear very powerful glasses and it's going to reflect my ring light. And I'm sorry, but there's nothing I can do about it because I can't see without them. So I am legally blind. I see nothing in my left eye, partial in my right eye, mostly covered shadows, colors, that kind of thing, unless I'm very, very close. I have machines that I can look at stuff bigger. I have a CCTV over to my right, which you put like the products or the papers under it and it makes it really big. And then I use my iPad with the zoom or the voiceover. So you will probably see me do those. Looks like there is a list of products on the back of this paper. So I'm going to show you. Look, it's got the blue in it. So that's pretty. Blue for the ocean, at least for me. I'm a beach lover, I'm telling you. Okay, this is my first item. This is a hand sanitizer, Mercy Handy Hand Sanitizer. Okay, so that's my first, sample. It does have a little flip lid. This is perfect size for travel. It's all clear. Smells good. Actually smells better than the regular sanitizer. So it's got a little bit of fragrance in it. So that's number one. Okay, my next item is this one. This is the one that I personalize. You're allowed to personalize one item. Let me see what the brand was on it. It says Bondi Sands, the self-tanning drops. So I'm excited about using these because I've been using some tanning drops that I bought at Target. So they're a different brand. So hopefully there's a lot in this one. So that's got to be a deluxe sample because there's definitely a lot in this bottle. So sanitizer and tan drops, all in conjunction with my trip, right? Okay, let's see what else we got. Okay, this is my next item. This is item number 3. It's called Aceology Brightening Treatment Mask. So this is a mask. It seems like, it's got the little thing on it, so I can't show you. It seems like right now, we are all about brightening and vitamin C. And I think a couple months ago is all about highlighting. It seems like it changes seasons for different things. So I'm excited about using that one also. This is number 4. Minus 47, I think is the brand. It is an intense volumizing mud shampoo. So I have never used, let me see if it's open. I have never used mud shampoo. This is the first. Nope, still closed, guys. So we don't want to waste things until we're ready to use them because once you open it, then it kind of starts its shelf life. So let's go ahead and leave that closed. And it looks like there's a mask, which of course we love masks, right? Let's see what this one says. It's a 3-in-1 skincare. This is what it looks like. So it does feel like there's basically a mask and then there's 2 little pouches at the top. Art Naturals Vitamin C 3-in-1 face mask. It says step 1 is the face scrub. Step 2 is the vitamin face mask. Step 3 is the witch hazel toner. So you would, which one is it? So step 1 is the scrub. Step 2, so we got the scrub and the toner and the face mask. So you'd go 1, 2, 3. So that's pretty interesting. I've never seen in a complete face mask with, you know, a serum or a face toner or anything like that, even the scrub. So you could take this one and you don't have to bring anything else when you do your toner. So that's awesome. So guys, we got that, which is our face mask, scrub, and toner. Let me grab. Okay, there was a mud mask. We got a sanitizer. We got tanning drops. And the last item, let me double check it. And this was the brightening mask. So it's all about masks in my box, guys. Making our skin, taking off dead layers and brightening and toning and getting our skin and our face in shape. And I got the tanning drops. So I'm excited about that. I'm having more luck with tanning drops than I am with anything else right now. So I will put all the information down below concerning Birchbox. I'll have their pricing down below. The link, if there's a referral link, it'll be down below. Everything you need is down below. So if you are not a subscriber, please, please, please hit that red subscribe button, the bell, so you will be notified, and the like button. And to you who are subscribers, as always, I say thank you, thank you, thank you. I am so glad that you are hanging out with me again and have stuck with me through my beginnings. I really, really appreciate that. So guys, I've got more to film, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye.